I'm Dr. Lucky Sekhon. I'm a reproductive endocrinologist and fertility expert at RMA of New York. So my professional passion, if it's not already obvious, is spreading knowledge and awareness because there's so much about human reproduction and our fertility options and how fertility impacts us as we get older that scares people, and there's a lot of stigma and fear. And so my professional passion and my goal really is to normalize these conversations and to teach people how their bodies work and make them feel empowered with that knowledge and knowing what their options are for the future. So I love social media. It is an incredible tool that I discovered during the pandemic as a way to fight medical misinformation. If I could go back in time and talk to my 15-year-old self, I would tell her that none of it matters and to make more mistakes. And I think that I would just tell her to act confident until you are, because honestly, everyone's in the same boat, and you're gonna get way more out of life if you just jump in and don't overthink it.